The first thing we need to do is move the cursor up to the top left hand side of the screen, where you'll find the File tab, and give that a click. And then underneath in the list you'll see Load as the first option, so give that a click as well. Now what this will do is load up the Windows browser and enable you to search your machine for your data. Once you've located your data, a single click will bring up some basic information on the right, such as how many laps were in that session, the best lap, and the circuit. It's also worth noting that if the files were recorded with one of our video systems, such as a VBox HD2, you will get a video preview as well, just to make sure it's the correct file. All you need to do next is double click that file to load in. However, it is worth noting that if there is another file in that directory that you wish to use for comparison, if you hold the Control key and single click to highlight, and then click the Open button, this will load in both at the same time. So what Circuit Tools does now is fully synchronize the video to the data, and then arrange your lap times from fastest to slowest. And that's it.